All right, everybody. So I was in the market to try to get some wireless headphones. All of my kids, of course, they have the Apple Pod thingies, whatever they're called, and they really sound great. And my oldest daughter has the noise canceling ones, which are just awesome. But with having 4 kids, it's just not feasible for me to pay for 5, 6 pair of those. So I was on Slick Deals the other day, and I ran across these JBLs Endurance Peak. They're black. Got 28 hours of continuous playback. Power hook, turns on and off. Waterproof. Mono and stereo. Hands-free calling. Smart charging case as well. And they were black. Now they only had black, which is not a big deal for me. I'm not really going for style or color or whatever. I'm going for something that's going to be affordable. Now the pair I had before, it worked. They were wireless, I mean Bluetooth, but they were wired, wireless but wired. I think I may have paid $30 on Amazon for them, which is not bad. It came with a case and everything else, and not a bad overall deal. But I just wanted something that I didn't have to have around my neck, so a little bit more freedom. So I went with the JBL. Here's the information. If you are interested, I'll post it as well. It gives you the model number and everything else. These things are regular price. Regular price it was $119, and I got them for $30. So not a bad deal whatsoever. They're refurbished. That's one of the kickers, but I'm not really worried about them being refurbished. There's a lot of things wrong with different units when you purchase them, and a lot of people return things back to the factory right away. So if they had a bug in a couple of models or something, I'm okay with it. So, and for the price, I definitely am okay with it. So, opening up the packaging here, this is I'm assuming it's the charging case. Get it there. JBL charging case. It's very sturdy, thick, very hard shell. That's good. And then here are the earpieces. They came wrapped in this glorious bubble wrap. And also inside the box is the charging wire. And I'm assuming that's pretty standard wire. So if you lose it or something, you can replace it. And some replaceable earbuds. So, and for the earbuds, they have different styles. I'll get a little closer here. Different styles. The charging plug, cable, and the instruction manual here. The Endurance Peak instruction manual. I'll be reading that later on. I'm sure there's got to be something in there that's worthwhile. Now for the charging unit here. All right, open that up, and there is the charging case. It's made really well. I mean, like, it's a case. This thing's hard. Very nice. If you want to travel with it or take it somewhere, it's pretty sturdy. But material-wise, it's really made out of good material, so that's good. So I'm assuming that's going to be something that's going to be durable. Now I'm opening up the earpieces. It came double wrapped in plastic, which is always good. Just to give you a little bit of what you're looking at here. It's the JBL. I think you can even see on these, they look pretty new. I mean, if they were used, they were lightly used. Sturdy. This is a soft plastic here, but it's not super soft. It comes apart here. And like I said before, these will be able to go right into your charging case. You align them with the hookups here, like that. Fits right in. So it'll be easy to charge up. and you can carry them around this as well. So I'll be using this a lot. I go fishing a lot. I do a lot of things outside, and when I'm not using them, I'm definitely going to have them in the case. I carry a backpack with me most of the time, so I'll just throw them in the backpack. And then here's the other one here. So when you're carrying them around in your case, it'll be like this. Like I say, very well made. The peaks, and then your charging plug will plug into here. So what I'll do is everything you get here, like I said, it was on slick deals. Regular price $119. I got it for $29.99. Free shipping from JBL. I'm gonna test them out, see how they are, and then I'll post back. If anyone else has these in their inventory, used them before, please leave comments. How do you like them? It's the Endurance Peak JBLs. If you disliked them for a reason or wish they were better, please put those in as well, because the overall goal is really to try to give whoever's looking at this the most information possible. I don't have it all now, but I will be trying them out, and I'll try something here soon about how they sound and, you know, the size and the weight. And then I'll also try to get my daughter, who has a YouTube page, to do a comparison with her Apple products against the JBLs. I know Apple's going to win because this is probably one of the bottom of the line JBLs, but I think that'd be pretty cool to do. So once again, thanks for checking out the video. Hit subscribe, like. I'll put links in everything that I talked about in below, and have a good day.